Hi, this is Tammy with IVS Computer Technology. Today we're going to take a look at navigating the SMART Exchange. SMART's database of pre-made lesson activities and SMART response questions that have been created using notebook software. First, we're going to launch the internet and navigate to the website www.exchange.smarttech.com. It's 2 T's, Smart Tech. I will launch the internet and I will type that website into my web browser, www.exchange.smarttech.com. Once I navigate to that website, one thing you'll notice is that I have a search box. This is where I can put those search terms to help me narrow down these lessons to be what I'm looking for. For example, I might type in calendar, or polygons, or presidents, or rocks and minerals, whatever I'm looking for. Today I'm looking for a math lesson on polygons. So once I've typed in my terms, I'm going to look to the right and choose that box with the magnifying glass. This is going to start the search within the SMART Exchange. Any lesson that has that keyword or that term is going to be sorted into my search window. Notice on the left-hand side, I have a thumbnail image of the first page of that lesson activity. On the right-hand side, I have a written description of the lesson objectives. At this point, if I wanted to download this, I could download it right to my computer. I always choose to preview first to get an idea of what that lesson contains and make sure it's appropriate for my students. So I'm going to choose that black bar where it says click to preview. Once I select that, I'm going to get a pop-up window that allows me to view each page within that file. Using that tab that has the arrow or the triangle, you can view each page within that notebook software file. Now at this point, you can decide whether it seems appropriate for you and your students. If not, go ahead and choose that X in the upper right corner and go return to your search results and find an activity that works better for you. If you do want this activity, in the bottom right, you're going to choose download. At this point, nothing's been saved to your computer, so the pop-up that comes up is going to prompt you whether or not you'd like to open or if you'd like to save the file. If you're still not sure whether or not this activity is appropriate for your class, open it, preview it one more time, and then save it. Your other option is to save it right to your computer. Now, if you viewed our folders tutorial, you'll notice that I've sorted my activities into units, and right now I'm in the polygon unit. Now, I don't necessarily want to name this just polygons. It might be difficult for me to remember which activity is which. So in this case, maybe this is my intervention activity, and so I can remember that this is a little bit of a lower level to help my students get caught up. So within my unit 4, my polygon folder, I'm going to choose save. And now this activity has been saved within my folders that I keep on my desktop. So for example, here's my math folder. Once I open that up, I'm going to find my unit 4. And there's that intervention activity waiting for me to use it with my students.